Hello traders, and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to cover a highly requested topic: how to take a trade after the Asian session break. I will be discussing some important strategies to help you identify the true direction of the price on the higher time frame, as well as how to identify or how to mark the high and the low of the Asia session. Additionally, I'll be going over how to identify a break and how to take advantage of it by finding demand or supply zones on the lower time frame. Furthermore, I'm excited to announce that I've created an 86-page ebook with practical chart pictures and illustrations to help you become a smarter and more profitable trader. This comprehensive guide covers essential topics in the smart money trading, including market structure, supply and demand, order blocks, breakover structures, and many more. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, this ebook is valuable resources that can help you take your trading to the next level. So be sure to check out the ebook. The link is going to be in the description. All right, without wasting time, let me show you guys what it looks like over here. Okay, so first thing is what I'm doing is I'm going to be going to the higher time frame and I'm going to be identifying the direction of the price. Okay, we'll identify the direction of the price on the higher time frame, like the 4 hours. Okay, so once I identify that we are in an uptrend status, now I'm gonna go to the lower time frame, like the 15-minute time frame, and wait for Asian session to play out. Okay, usually Asian session range. Okay, this is where most of the manipulations happens. Okay, so Asian session range. And then what we're going to be waiting for is we're going to be waiting for a break of Asia session around London time. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and mark the Asian session high and the Asian session low. We'll be using a simple indicator, and I'm going to show it to you guys once we go to the real chart. Okay. So we're going to be marking the Asian session high and the Asian session low, and then we wait for London to break Asian session high. Once it breaks the Asian session highs, and then now we're gonna go to the 5 minutes or the 3 minutes and find the last order block or the last demand zone that caused the break of this structure. So we're gonna go ahead and mark the demand zone. Okay, once we mark the demand zone, we're gonna wait for the price to come back to the area, create a little bit of liquidity. Okay, tap on the zone that we marked, and then we're gonna wait for a change of character. After that, we will execute a trade targeting the 4-hour zones. Okay, so it's going to be a very comprehensive strategy and very practical, so make sure you watch the entire video in order to understand exactly what I'm teaching here. Well, thank you very much, guys. If you are brand new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video so that it can reach more people. The more you like the video, the more we can reach more people out there. Okay, I'm only here to help, nothing else, guys. Over here we give a lot of valuable information, so if you're brand new, make sure you join the family. Without wasting time, let's get into it. All right, let me clear this out real quick. So now what I'm gonna do is, this is GBP/NZD that we're gonna be using as an example today. First, I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. So once we go to the 4-hour time frame, I will identify the direction of this 4-hour time frame price. So now on the 4-hour time frame, we have the price giving us higher highs, higher lows. Very clear and very simple. We can see the price is basically breaking the structures to the upside. Okay, break of a structure here. Once we identify the direction of the price on the 4-hour time frame, let me just mark this real quick so that I can show it to you guys practically. Okay, mark your break of structures. Once you mark your break of structures, now that you know the price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So this means we are in an uptrend market. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for a buy position on the lower time frame, a short buy position in the lower time frame. Okay, we see that the price, now that we identified the direction of the price on the 4-hour time frame, also what I'm going to be identifying is what I'm going to be targeting to take my profit once I take the trade. Okay, let me move to the left. Before all this happened, there was a break of structure here. Okay, there was a break of structure right here, guys. Okay, so once this break of structure happened, there was an imbalance or or a supply zone that's not mitigated yet. You can see that there's a little bit of imbalance going on here. This supply is not touched yet. Okay. Okay, if you go even lower time frame, like the 2-hour time frame, you can see that this area is not mitigated yet. That means here is going to be my take profit. Okay, that's going to be my take profit, guys. Okay, all right, now I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to mark Asia session high and then Asia session low using a simple indicator. Okay, this indicator is called kill zones. I'm going to plot this indicator on my chart. You can find this indicator if you go to the trading view indicator section, type in kill zones. So it's going to come up as a Asia range and kill zones by RJG Trader. Okay, you can use this indicator to mark your Asian session high and then Asian session low. Another way that you can do it is if you go to the lower right of the trading view chart, you can turn on your session breaks. Once you turn on your session breaks, so the session break basically separates whatever happens on each day. So everything that happened within this box is in a day, and everything that happens within this box is one day, and everything that happens in this box is in one day. So the previous day started here and then ended here. So Asia opens right after the close of this session break box. Okay, so Asia started over here, so this is going to be the low of the Asia marked by the indicator. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it. So this is my Asia session low. Okay, I'm going to mark this on my own template and make my chart as clean as possible. So now I'm going to go ahead and mark my Asia session high. So now that I marked my Asia session high, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the indicator so that my chart can be a little bit cleaner. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go even to the like the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is whatever happened within the Asian session. Okay, Asia high and then Asia low. So now go to the 5-minute time frame. Once I go to the 5-minute time frame, I'm waiting for London/Frankfurt to open and take out Asia session high and close above Asia session. Okay, so now the time is 12:25 New York time, which is around, I think, 6:30 or 6:25 around London time. Okay, let me replay it a little bit. I'm waiting for a break, remember? Okay, now that I have a break I'm still gonna wait for a little bit. Okay, all right, over here I have a break. It's closed above the Asia session. I'm going to go to the 3-minute time frame to identify if the Frankfurt or the London candle closed above the Asia session. So now that I see the candle closed above the Asia session, now I'm going to go ahead and mark my unmitigated demand zone, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. So once I mark my unmitigated demand zone, okay, I'm going to go ahead and mark my unmitigated demand zone and then go to all the way down to the 1-minute time frame. Once I go to the 1-minute time frame, you can see that this area is not mitigated yet. Also, there's a lot of liquidity sitting here. Okay, a lot of liquidity sitting here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark my liquidity before the tap on the demand zone. Remember, before any entry, there has to be some type of liquidity to fuel the move. You know, the institutions traders, they need that liquidity to create a big move. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the trade to play out. It's playing out. Okay, now the price take out the liquidity here and then tap on my zone, which is my demand zone, that's not tapped yet before the break of the Asian structure highs. Okay, so now that I marked my structure and the price came back to the zone and tapped on it, what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for a change of character. So this is my last lower high, short-term lower high led to lower low. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to close above this, give me a change of character, and then I'm going to execute a trade. Okay, now I have a change of character. Let me just expand this a little bit. Now we have a change of character. On the 1 minute time frame, we have a change of character. We have a lower high led to lower low, and then we have a takeout, which is a reversal after a liquidity clearance and a tap on our demand zone on the 1 minute time frame. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set my trade around here, and then I'm going to put my stop loss right below the zone. This means if the price closes below the zone, that means the zone has been taken out and now we are out of the trade. Okay, my target is going to be all the way down to the 4-hour time frame where I marked earlier. So my target is going to be over there. So that's going to be a 69 pip that I'm going to be expecting. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the price to trigger my position. Okay, our trade is basically initiated. Now we're waiting for a take profit to take place in about few minutes. Okay, we're still in the trade, almost hit our stop loss, but we're still in the trade. So you can see that. Let's play out. Let's continue playing out. Continue playing out. Continue playing out. And as you can see, the price tapped on our take profit and even passed it. Okay, take profit and then passed it. So this was 16.6 reward ratio. Okay, so he hit our 4-hour zone. Let me show you how it looks like on the 4-hour zone. On the 4-hour, you can see before all this happened, we have a break of a structure here. That was never, the break structure happened, but the price never came back to mitigate this supply zone that caused all this. So we had a break of a structure, and then the price had to come back over here and then mitigate it. And there was also some type of liquidity that's supposed to be cleared here, okay, before the tap on the 4-hour supply zone. So the price came all the way down here and then tapped on the zone, and that's where we exited our position. So if you wanted to, you can also take another trade around when New York session opens. Okay, so guys, this is as simple as it gets. Very easy trade. All you have to do is identify the direction of the price on the 4-hour time frame, because at the end of the day, when you're trading sessions, you're only trying to take a little bit of small trades, because when you're trading a session, you're just looking for 50, 60, 70 pips. That's all you're looking for at the end of the day. You're not waiting for the market to play out days and days and days, because sometimes when you're waiting for a major break of structures and change of characters to take place, it's going to take a long time to execute any trade. So you can use SMC or smart money trading in any time frame, in any time. All you have to do is know what you're doing and take the short-term opportunities. Okay, so what we did now is we took the short-term opportunity, which was only 2 candles. Okay, we only took 2 candles, which give us 69 pips in profit. Very easy, very clean, and your stop loss was only about 5 pips, nothing else, guys. If you want to trade like this, make sure you get the ebook. You can find the link in the description. Also, you can join the free Telegram channel that I have. You can find also the link in the description. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like and share the video. Thank you very much again. I appreciate you guys. as usual, I'm gonna give you guys this advice. Trading it sounds very easy when it comes to trading, but it's not as easy as we think it is. It takes a lot of mental game, a lot of practice, and a lot of resilience to become a profitable trader. Okay, so at first a trader might be end up losing, jumping around, losing a lot of money, getting frustrated, but at the end of the day, things get better in the end. So as long as you don't give up, you're gonna get to your final destination, which is to reach your final goal. All right, everybody goes through the same scenario, everybody goes through the same things, so don't think that you're gonna be becoming a profitable trader overnight. It takes time and dedication. Well, thank you very much again, guys. This is your brother Jamal. Have a wonderful trading week. Peace out.